Angikorwo ni hamite mugunda hakuhi na thibitari nene ya Narok uri na ihinda ria mweri umwe gukorwo ukiehera kana uhamurithio ni thirikari ya kaunti ino. Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria dawa cia muigano wa ciringi milioni 40 thibitari-ini itiganite kaunti-ini ya Narok, Governor Samuel Ole Tunai augite kurabatarania ika 5 gukorwo makiararamia thibitari uyu kuria magukorwo makiruguria motungata meru maria aikari aya makoretwo magithi kumetha kuraya.
County government ni kuona ya kwamba mwananchi wa kaunti hii anapata huduma ya afya kwa mahali karibu. Hiyo ndio sababu we are putting up this hospital, referral hospital. As we speak, nimeagiza tayari equipments from the United States of America, including the MRI for this hospital. You don't get MRI anywhere. MRI.
Na niguo gutigirira ni makinyaniria kioneki giki ya kugacirithia motungata maya ni matanyite kuongerera maafitha urigitani.
It's a medical school which is coming here, 250 students, so they are going to train here. So the training on this side, na hapa ni hospitali state of the art. Kama ni kuemploy even 200 doctors or 300 doctors, I'm going to do that, going to work, and very soon I'm going to build mahali ambayo madaktari watakaa, hawatakuwa nahangaika kwenda kukaa sijui wapi. Tajengea wa manyumba hapa ndio iwe karibu.
Tunai niugite thirikari yake iri muharini wa mbere wa gutigirira ni makinya ituge inya cia mutongoria wa bururi ari motungata mega kuri muingi wothe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Retora Wanjiru wa Foro.